back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope everyone is having an absolutely fantastic day. I am super excited. We have a brand new subscription to our channel, and you guys, I am like really pumped to open this because I think it's going to be amazing. This was very kindly sent to me for review, so I do want to say thank you for that. And you guys, this is the Walt Life subscription. This obviously is Disney. I mean, Walt Life, hello, Disney, yay! So I'm super excited. I was able to go in and I actually selected like Christopher's age group and, you know, obviously for a boy because he's gonna be the one to get the stuff in here. So I am so excited to unbox this and share with you guys. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. I think this is amazing. Who wouldn't love getting Disney to their door every month? I mean, seriously. So, a little bit about it. The box that I have here is the Magic Plus box. It is a $48 a month box. It does have free shipping. You're supposed to receive at least 4 mystery items and 1 item from the Disney park. So that is amazing. So, let's get to unboxing. Where's my box cutter? Here it is. And see what this is about. Like I said, I am so excited. All right. It says caution, magic enclosed. Special, oh, that's so cute. Special delivery. All right. So, wow. Okay, this is so much fun. I can already tell. This is so much fun. Like the colors and just, yay. All right. So the first thing I see on top is from Disneyland Resort. This is a vinyl window sticker decal. So like for your car, it's Mickey Mouse. Who doesn't love Mickey Mouse? Yay! He looks like he's ready to give you a hug. Hug from Mickey. Yay! Okay, so y'awsome. I'm like so like yay about it. I can't even talk. Okay. And awesome. Yes, Christopher is going to love this, you guys. This is amazing that they put this in here because I did not know until I had a son who got all into Marvel and superheroes and this and that Disney actually owns Marvel. So here, and this is one of the things Christopher collects like crazy. And this is from the Avengers Infinity War. This is the Bruce Banner Funko Pop. So he is going to be so excited about this. This is actually one he does not have. He does have the Hulk and then, you know, many others, but he does not have this one. So yay. I love that they included this. This is amazing. These are normally about $15 or so at like GameStop or, you know, different places. So awesome. And let's see. We've got squigglies here. Oh, hold on. Had something caught in the squigglies. Y'all. Oh my gosh. He is going to lose his mind. So, in just a few days, Avengers Endgame comes out. And this is a pin with Thor on the top. But I can tell from his outfit that this is an Endgame oh my gosh, Christopher's going to be so excited. It's a pin, but it has like the Funko Pop little mini version of Thor. But like I said, I can tell from the outfit that this is from Endgame. So Christopher is going to lose his mind over this. Y'all, this is fantastic. Yay! Oh my gosh, this box did not disappoint at all. And we're not even done. Let's see. What do we have here? Oh, this is cute. Okay, so this is a 3-pack of journals. So And they're all good size. Let's see, does it tell us how many sheets in each one? It does not, I don't think. But that's okay. So we have this first one here that says the Mickey Mouse Club. And then there's one that shows Mickey, and it's like an old school version of Mickey, which is super cute. And then this one right here with the letters. So that is awesome. Some journals. He can write stuff down with his pen. Mommy may steal one of these to write stuff down because I love having things in a journal. This is awesome. Oh my goodness. I'm all excited like this is my box. He doesn't even know about it. I'm going to put it all back in here and then give it to him. All right. And then, oh my goodness, yes. Okay. So here we have some Marvel Avengers stickers. Right here. And these are cool looking. These are like kind of raised up, but there's a ton of them. So he will be very happy with that. I'm loving that they're like on the Avengers thing here because that's what he is obsessed with. They could not have made a better box. How awesome. And then let's see what else. We've got some other stuff in here. Oh, here. Here we have it was on the bottom, but a sheet telling us about our items, so yay. And it does go over the Funko Pop, the stickers, the pin, the journal set. Sorry about that. And then obviously the Disney Parks item that we received was the Mickey decal, which I think is fantastic. So yay. But then it looks like we also have like a few other little things down in here. And this looks like it's a bookmark with Beast from Beauty and the Beast. And then oh, this is neat. Okay, so this is Walt Life coins. Win a trip for 2 to Disney World. Oh, collect all 8. So there's that. And then let's see what else. There's still a few little other paper things in here. Planning a Disney trip. This first ever surprise box is the perfect way to reveal your announcement. That is cool. Okay, so you can actually order a box that when you open it says, surprise, you're going to Disney. That's cool. Oh, and this is cute. Okay. And then this is a little color me puzzle. So you color it and then take it apart and put it back together. That's fun. Walt Treasures game board. Y'all, this is like the never ending box. Because it's like got other things. This says Walt Life Treasures game board on back. How, okay. Oh, this is talking about the little coins. Okay. So collect all 8, win a trip to Disney World. And then, okay. If you collect Walt, you could win a Disney Zoom Zoom Mini. If you collect Life, you can a Disney Mini Beanbag Plush. And then if you collect Walt Life, that's an official Disney Parks item. If you collect Walt Life without any wilds, because apparently you can get wilds or instant wins. It says if you receive one of these instant win coins, you win a free Disney pin. But if you can collect Walt Life without any wilds, you do win a trip for 2 to Disney. And then it gives you a place right down here to put your little coins. That is so much fun. Okay. This is, y'all, this box is amazing. Like, obviously, this is for Christopher. I think it is amazing, and it was perfect. They hit the nail on the head in picking items that he is going to absolutely love. And I mean, they could not have picked better items. Seriously. So I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for Walt Life. I think this is fantastic. I love this. And it is just, thank you so much, Walt Life, for sending this to me for review. I cannot thank you enough. This was fun to unbox for me, but I know that my son is going to lose it when he opens this. So I hope you all have a fantastic day. Don't forget, we do have our 2,000 subscriber giveaway going on. That link will be down below. And as always, please do give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment telling me what you thought of the video and how your day is going. I love hearing from you guys. So again, I hope you all have a great day, and I will talk with you with the next one. Bye.